Good morning, students. A very warm welcome to each and every one of you. Are you ready to solve a math riddle? Yes. When Lisa was 6 years old, her sister Lucy was half her age. If Lisa is 40 years old today, how old is Lucy? Once again I am repeating. When Lisa was 6 years old, her sister Lucy was half her age. If Lisa is 40 years old today, how old is Lucy? Yes, the answer is 37 years old. How did you find the answer? Yes, when Lisa was 6 years old, her sister Lucy was half her age. When Lisa was 6 years old, what was Lucy's age? Yes, obviously, she was 3 years old. So the difference between Lisa and Lucy is 3. Now, Lisa is 40 years old today. So, Lucy is 37 years old. Okay? Yes. In the previous class, we have learnt about addition and subtraction of algebraic expressions, and based on that, we have done problems. In today's class, we are going to learn about multiplication and division of algebraic expression. How do we multiply two fractions? Yes, first we have to multiply the numerators and then we have to multiply the denominators. The same holds true for algebraic fractions also. To multiply two algebraic fractions, multiply the numerators and denominators. Product of fractions is equal to product of numerators divided by product of denominators. So let us solve this example. 2x by 7 into x by 9. So the first step we have to multiply the numerators. 2x into x is equal to 2x square divided by 7 9s are 63. So product of numerators divided by product of denominators. To divide two fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So example, 11x square by 8 divided by x by 4, which is equal to 11x square by 8. Multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So what's the reciprocal of the second fraction? Reciprocal of x by 4 is equal to 4 by x. Now we can simplify this one. You can cancel this x with this x, and 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So in the numerator, 11x into 1 is 11x divided by 2. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us have a quick tip. The reciprocal of your fraction a by b is? Yes, very good. B by a. So let us solve the examples. Multiply the following. M by 5 into mn by 6 into n by 2. So what's the first step? The first step, we have to multiply the numerators. M into mn into n divided by, multiply the denominators. 5 into 6 into 2, which is equal to m into m is m square, n into n is n square, divided by 5 6 are 30, 30 into 2 is 60. So your answer is m by 5 into mn by 6 into n by 2 is equal to m square n square by 60. Is it clear, children? Yes. Second question. (3a by 7 into 2 by 5). So what's the denominator of the third term? Yes, if the denominator is not given in the question, you can assume that one as 1. Now multiply the numerators. 3a into 2 into 2a plus 4 divided by 7 into 5 into 1, which is equal to 3 2s are 6. 6a into 2a plus 4 divided by 7 5s are 35. 35 into 1 is 35. So your answer is 3a by 7 into 2 by 5 into 2a plus 4 is equal to 6a into 2a plus 4 by 35. Can you understand? Yes. Example 7. Divide the following. (7 x square by 5 divided by 14 x square by 10). So how do we solve this one? Yes, to divide two fractions, multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So write the first fraction as such. So what is the reciprocal of 14x square by 10? Yes, the reciprocal of 14x square by 10 is 10 by 14x square. So now we can simplify this one. You can cancel this x square and x square. 1 7 is 7, 2 7s are 14. Similarly, 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10. Now you can cancel these two also. 1 2 is 2, 1 2 is 2. So your answer is 1. 7x square by 5 divided by 14x square by 10 is equal to 1. Is it clear, children? Yes. The next one. (15a power 4 b cube by 9 divided by 2a cube b square by 3). How to divide two algebraic fractions? Multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So what's the reciprocal of the second fraction? The reciprocal of 2a cube b square by 3 is 3 divided by 2a cube b square. Am I right? Yes. So write the first fraction as such. 15a power 4 b cube by 9 into 3 divided by the reciprocal of the second fraction. That's why we are changing this multiplication symbol. A cube b square. Now we can simplify this one. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So now we can cancel these two with 3 tables. 1 3 is 3, 5 3s are 15. So here you can cancel this a cube with this a power 4, remaining 1a will be there. Similarly, cancel this b square with this b cube, remaining 1b will be there. So what are the things remaining here? 5a divided by 5ab divided by 2. So your answer is 15a power 4 b cube by 9 divided by 2 a cube b square by 3 is equal to 5ab by 2. Is it clear, children? Yes. Thank you.